ngayon ako naman ay aayos ng table at saka hapon na rin kasi kaya mag-aayos ako ng table saka mag-aayos ako ng ipiprepare ko na yung mga kakainin namin mamaya sa Christmas Eve mamayang gabi bago kami magsimba. So ito yung table. Yes. Yan, di pa tapos yan. Ano pa lang yan. Yung binili ko pa rin na guys sa pang decoration. May kandila siya. Mura lang naman. So lagyan lang natin dyan. Okay guys, so tapos na ako natapos ko na rin yung mga handa namin ngayong tawag dito Christmas Eve na dito Christmas Eve na ngayon. So ito ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga ginawa ko. Ayan. O diba? Yan yun. So ito yung panettone. Matamis pala siya, masarap. So yan, ako lang ang mga gumawa niyan guys. Ginawa ko lang lahat yan. Ako lang nag-design. Yan. So, actually, this year, medyo konti lang yung handa namin. Kasi tatatlo lang kami. Yan. Ito yung bread, yung hummus. Yan. Yan. At saka yung aking beautiful flower. So, yan guys. So, yan. Tapos na, ready na yung lamesa. Ang gagawin ko naman ngayon is magre-relax ako. Kasi napagod ako. Ako ang gumawa lahat niyan. At tapos nag-bake pa ako ng cake kanina. Kaya yun. But guys, my stocking. Ka-orange. Chocolate. The hell? What is that? Oh.
So which one are you gonna buy?
Okay, I have two. Santa's nice. I'm probably a good girl this year. Charger. Charger, is it? Yeah, that's for my socks. Okay, time to open the present. Okay guys, time to open my present. Tapos na yun sila, ako naman. Doesn't matter which one first. Why not? Which one first? Yeah, this one first. Oh. Yeah, that's what I asked for. Yay, I get new little Lululemon.
The receipt's there in case you want to change it.
Yeah, I know, I received the receipt as well.
Did you? That's okay, bro.
They send it to me. Look guys, ang ganda. Let this be proper, strong. They're quite expensive. Oh. Those are the customer ritual. Very nice. And open it. Doesn't make it easier. Yeah, I need travel. It's the big one. I think I know what that is. Yes, new toothbrush. Is it better this time? Thank you. I was going to buy that. I really don't want the other toothbrush. Who is this from? Oh yes. I'm gonna use this one for it's a voucher for spa voucher. I know what this one. From Jimmy. What is it, Jimmy? Oh yes. So you don't want me to buy that. I want this one. I'm gonna finally buy this in Amazon. Thank you, Jimmy. My new computer! Finally! Yay! Oh my gosh, I got a new laptop. Quite heavy. Finally, my laptop na ako. For editing video. What's wrong? Okay.
Really good laptop.
Hey guys! New laptop! Yay! For my video editing.
But you want to
That's expensive.